Libraries are gateways to knowledge, and Koha makes library management smarter, smoother, and more efficient. As an open-source integrated library system, ILS, Koha empowers libraries with advanced features, including acquisitions, cataloging, circulation, reports and statistics, and an online public access catalog, OPAC, all at no cost. System requirements. To ensure a smooth Koha installation, verify that your system meets these requirements. Hardware: RAM, 4 GB recommended. Disk space, 25 GB minimum. CPU, 2 cores. Software: Lubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO. VirtualBox. Optional: SSH. Download installation instructions from the video description. Need help? Watch our step-by-step guide here. How to install Lubuntu 24.04 plus VirtualBox and set up SSH remote access on the Smart Library Solutions YouTube channel. Transform your library with Koha. Let's get started. Installing and configuring. Koha 24.11 on Lubuntu 24.04 LTS via SSH. Koha is best installed on Debian-based operating systems such as Debian, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint. Lubuntu and Xubuntu, being lightweight Ubuntu flavors, are optimized for fast performance and are excellent choices for running Koha. Preparing for installation. Local terminal method. Right-click and select Open Terminal, and enter the installation commands one by one. Remote SSH method, recommended for Windows users. Accessing the Lubuntu server from Windows via SSH. Open PowerShell or command prompt on your Windows machine. Run the following command. SSH username at IP address. Replace username with your Lubuntu username. Replace IP address with your server's actual IP. SSH manoj at 192.168.26.166. Security verification. If prompted, verify the SSH fingerprint by typing yes. Enter your Lubuntu user password when requested. You now have secure remote access to manage your Lubuntu server via SSH. Step 1. Update and upgrade system packages. First, switch to the root user by entering sudo su. Enter your password when prompted. Next, update your package lists with sudo apt update. Then upgrade all installed packages by running sudo apt upgrade. The Y flag automatically confirms the upgrade, so you won't need to approve each step. Finally, clean up any unnecessary packages with sudo apt clean. Now your system is fully updated, optimized, and ready for Koha installation. Step 2. Add the Koha repository. First, download and add Koha's GPG key. Copy the command from the description and paste it into your terminal. Next, add the Koha community repository to your sources list. Again, copy the provided command and paste it into the terminal. This ensures your system can securely access Koha's official packages. Step 3. Install Koha and required dependencies. Run the following command to install Koha. Sudo apt install Koha common. The Koha common package is a meta package that includes all the essential components needed to run Koha, the integrated library system. Step 4. Install MariaDB server. MariaDB server is a powerful open-source relational database management system that ensures high performance, scalability, and reliability for storing and managing data. Sudo apt install MariaDB server. Y sets the root user password. For first-time setup, use this format. Sudo mysql admin-u root password newpass. Replace newpass with your desired password. Step 5. Configure Koha sites file. In this step, you will edit network details such as the domain name and port numbers. Open the configuration file in nano, sudo, nano/etc/koha/koha sites.conf. Find the following line in the file and make changes. Intra port 8001. Port for staff interface. OPAC port 8000. Port for public OPAC interface. Step 6. Configure Apache web server for Koha. Enable required Apache modules, sudo a2onmod rewrite, sudo a2onmod CGI restart Apache to apply changes, sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. Step 7. Create the Koha instance with database. Run the following command to create a Koha instance named library. Sudo koha create db library. Step 8. Configure Apache ports and optimize Koha setup. Edit the Apache ports configuration. Sudo nano /etc/apache2/ports.conf. Add or modify these lines. Listen 8000, listen 8001. This is new port. Restart Apache service. Sudo service Apache 2 restart. Enable mod and site. Sudo a2 desite 000 default. Sudo a2 winmod deflate. Sudo a2 nsite library restart. Apache service sudo service Apache 2 restart. Restart required services. Sudo service memcached restart. Retrieve the Koha password. Run sudo koha password library and save it. Step 9. Access the Koha staff client. Open in your web browser 192.168.26.166:8001 or localhost:8001. Replace with your actual IP domain. Welcome to Koha 24.11 web installer. You're just steps away from unleashing the power of Koha. Let's get started. Login time. Username, Koha_library. Paste the saved password. Let's get rolling. Choose your language. Click Continue. Watch as Koha checks Perl dependencies. Click Continue database. Setup made easy. Keep it simple with default. Mark 21. Click Continue. The minimum requirements for Koha are already selected. You can either enable all options or leave them as default. You may also check Allow access to the following servers to search and download record information. One more click. Hit Import Koha Basics in a snap. Click Setup Basic Requirements. Begin the onboarding process. Make it yours. Give your library an identity. O library code, O library name. Create your first patron category. Code plus description. Set up your admin account. You're the boss. Almost there. Define your first item type with circulation rules. Take a deep breath and click Start using Koha. Congratulations! You've just launched your Koha system. The world of open source library management is now at your fingertips. Happy exploring and thanks for following along.